Here on this page is where you can manage your blog. Over here are all the comments that await your approval. You will see the title of the blog post, the date the comment was created, and its content. Click Edit if you want to make changes to the comment, or Delete if you want to delete the comment. You can approve the comment by clicking this check mark, and if you don't want to approve it, just click this X mark. You will also see on this page the 5 latest blog posts you have, and you can just easily edit them by clicking this Edit hyperlink. In this column, you will see the statistics of your blog, like the total blog post, slides, comments, categories, and new subscribers that you have. The number beside the check mark is the number of active blog posts or comments, and the ones beside the X mark are the number of disabled posts or slides. To visit your e-commerce blog from this page, just click this button. To create and see all your blog posts, go to Manage Content and then News. You will see here a list of all your news or blog posts. In the list, you will see the blog post's ID, an icon that redirects you to a preview page of the post, the date the post was created, picture, and title. The list also includes the number of how many times the post was read, the comments, and how many products are connected to the post. You can check if you want the post to be in the slide on the blog page, and if you want the post to be active. If you want to edit a post, click this edit icon, and if you want to delete it, then you can click this trash bin icon. To create a new post, click this blue button up here. Add the main title. Check if you want to activate the post and slide. Click this icon if you want to add a URL for URL rewrite, meta title, meta description, meta keywords, and the URL for URL redirect. Click this button to add the main image for your blog post. Then add your blog post's introduction and content, and then choose the blog category. Over here, you can add related products or posts to your blog. Just search the product, and then click this arrow. You can still add content below those products or posts by putting your content in this text field. This is how it will look on the blog post page. If you want to see all the comments in your blog, go to Manage Content and then Comments. You will see here a list of the comments you have and their details. If you want to change the status of the comment, just hover on the status, and then click the check mark if you want to approve it, X mark if you want to disable it, and then the question mark if you want it to be in the waiting for approval list. You can filter the list by status here. Next, to see all your blog categories, go to Manage Content and then Categories. Here you will see a list of all your blog categories and their picture, title, meta title, group permissions, the number of posts under that category, and if it's active or not. If a category is a subcategory, you will see this icon beside the title. It means that this category is under this category. If you want to change the order of the categories on your blog page, then click this button up here. Drag the category to its new position. Here in the Customize News list, you can make a list of blog posts and then put them on one of your pages. To create a list, click this button. Add the title of your list. Choose here the news you want to include on your list. Choose where you want to display the list. Add the number of blog posts you want to be displayed, the title length, and the description length. You can also put a time range on until when the list will be displayed. If you want your list to be random, activate this setting. Choose the category that will be on the list. Choose Yes here if you want the link to your blog to be displayed. Lastly, activate your list and then save it. Your list won't show up unless you activate this setting here. This is how it will look like in your webshop. To avoid spam comments on your blog posts, activate the anti-spam here on the tools and then anti-spam. Add a question that will be asked to your audience before they can add a comment to make sure they are not robots. If you add more than one question, it will be asked randomly. You can also import articles you have exported from WordPress by uploading the XML file. You can also set up a sitemap by going here in Tools and then Sitemap. Here in the configuration, you will see the setting for your themes and slides, blog site, categories, blocks, comments, and global setup.